Alright, so we're translating these algebraic expressions to these verbal expressions to algebraic expressions. So we have x less than 7. Less than means subtracted from. So when you write it out, when you translate it into an algebraic expression, the x has to come after the subtraction symbol. So x is being subtracted from, x is less than 7. So when you see less than, think subtracted from. When you see less, so you don't see the word and, just the word less, you need to think minus. For minus, you do not switch the order. So both of them imply subtraction, but less than means subtracted from, less means minus. Next one, sum. Sum means add. You're looking for the word and that's where the addition symbol will go. Quotient means divide. You can either write it as a fraction, the first divided by the second, first over the second, or you can write it this way. Difference means subtract. So 7 minus x. Where you see the word and is where the subtraction symbol will go. X cubed, x to the third power. X squared, x to the second power. Quotient of x and 7, x divided by 7. Product means multiply, so 7 times x. A number right next to a variable means multiplication. 10, we have a sentence that we're going to translate into an equation. Equations always have equal signs. We have 3 times the sum. Sum means to add. When we have a number times a sum or a number times a difference, we need parentheses. 3 times the sum of x and 5, so 3 times x plus 5, make sure you use parentheses, equals x cubed, or x to the third power. Twice x. Twice means to multiply by 2. Increase by, that's addition. Increase by y is the same as twice y squared. So twice means to multiply by 2, and then squared is an exponent of 2. To decide if it's a function or not, you're looking at the x values. If any single x value goes to more than one place, it's not a function. If you have a graph, you're going to use the vertical line test. Think about vertical lines going through this relation. If any single vertical line hits it in more than one place, then it's not a function. On 14, all the x values are different. There's no single x value that goes to more than one place, so it is a function. 15, no matter where we put a vertical line, it's going to hit it in at most one place. So it passes the vertical line test. We would say that that is a function. Domain. Domain is the x values. And you're going to list them from least to greatest. If a number repeats, you only list it one time. The range is the y values. So for our y values, we have 1, 1, -2, and 3. When we list them from least to greatest. And if a number appears more than once, we only list it once. Here we're trying to find f of 4. So put 4 into the f function. Now on the left side we don't do anything else with it. We just keep it as f of 4. On the right side we have two operations, multiplication and subtraction. Order of operations tells you multiplication before subtraction. So we do 3 times 4, that's 12. And then 12 minus 5 is 7. So the f function evaluated at 4 is 7. I hope you've enjoyed this video.